Dear friends, good morning to all. Today we can discuss about antigen and its property and also cross reactivity. First one, antigen. Antigen means any molecule or any substance which enter in your body, after that which produces the immune response. That molecules generally called as antigen. Definition: a substance that can produce a specific immune response when it is introduced into the tissues of animal, and that can react specifically with antibodies or sensitized cells. Sensitized cells means T cells is known as antigen. Antigen have different properties. First one is foreignness. Foreignness: in order to elicit an antibody response, a substance must in the first instance be recognized as foreign. Any molecule enter in our body, generally our body consider as foreign substance. Thus, any substance that does not come in contact with the immune system during the time in which the system reaches functional maturity would be subsequently recognized as antigenic one. That molecules are called as antigenic one. Next one, molecular weight. Generally, based on molecular weight, that molecules elicit the antigenic property. There is a clear correlation between the mass of substance and its ability to act as an antigen. Smaller molecule, for example, the molecules less than 1000 Dalton behave as incomplete antigen. Less molecular weight means that act as a incomplete antigen. That is, then cannot elicit an antibody response. That molecule does not elicit as a antibody response. That molecule combined with carrier molecule, then only elicit the antigen response. They cannot elicit antibody response alone, but can do so if they are coupled to larger molecular weight carrier ones. Such molecules were defined as haptens by K. Landsteiner in order to distinguish them from bona fide antigen. Landsteiner elucidated the antigen and also hapten. Next one, chemical composition of antigen. All major classes of biological compounds, for example, lipid, carbohydrate, nucleic acid, protein, can act as a antigen. All the molecules ability to act as a antigen. There are important differences though between protein antigen and also other type of antigen with respect to T cell help. The T cell, with the help of T cell, we are differentiated the protein and antigen and also other antigens. Thus, protein antigens typically induce antibody response characterized by T cell help. With the help of T cell, the protein antigen, other antigen means lipid, carbohydrate, nucleic acid will be differentiated. Other antigens do not obey the T cell response. Next one, dosage. There is a clear correlation between antigen dosage and ensuing response, as demonstrated by M. Michelson. Typical antigens will only elicit a good antibody response at a certain dosage. Certain dosage level only elicit as a antigenic property. Below or above certain dosage will not elicit the antigenic property. Dosage below and above this antigenic fail to elicit as a antibody response. Next one, route of administration. Antigens typically need to be administered parenterally in order to induce appropriate responses. Antigen can defined on basis of immunological properties like immunogenicity, antigenicity, allerogenicity and also tolerogenicity. First one, immunogenicity. It is the ability of molecule to induce humoral or cell-mediated immune response, and such molecules are referred as immunogen. Any molecule which induces the humoral or cell-mediated immune response means that molecules are called as immunogen. The process are called as immunogenicity. Generally two types. One is B cell response, another one is T cell response. B cells means which produces the antigenic against plasma cells and also memory cell. T cells means antigenic against T effector cell and also memory cells. Next one, antigenicity. It is the ability of molecule to combine specifically with the final product of immune response. Any molecule enter in your body, antigen means which finally produces the immune response. Immune response means antibody will be finally produced. This molecule finally combined with the antibody means that molecules are called as antigen. The process are called as antigenicity. While all the molecules which possess the property of immunogenicity shall also possess the property of antigenicity. For example, those molecules which possess the immunogenic property means all the immunogenic molecules which possess the antigenic one. In contrast, all the molecules possess the property of antigenicity do not possess the property of immunogenicity. All the antigenic molecules does not possess the immunogen or immunogenicity. Some molecules referred as hapten, which possess the property of antigenicity but lack in immunogenicity. The best example is hapten, which possess the antigenic property alone but not the immunogenicity. Next one, allerogenicity. It is the ability of a molecule to induce various allergic response, and such molecules referred as allerogen or allergen. Allergic reaction producing molecules are called as allergen. Allergens are immunogen which can activate specific type of humoral or cell-mediated immune response. Next one, tolerogenicity. Tolerogenicity means the molecule which is capable to tolerate. It is the capacity of a molecule to induce specific non-responsiveness against humoral or cell-mediated immunity. Next one is cross reactivity. Cross reactivity means single antibody molecules which capable to binding of different epitopes of same antigen. For example, single antibody which binds to different types of antigen, that molecules are called as cross reaction. For example, first picture shows the anti-A antibody binds alone antigen A. This is normal one. Next one, cross reaction picture. Anti-A antibody react with anti-B epitope. Next one, anti-A antibody reacts with antigen C epitope also. In this way, anti-A antibody, generally antigen A means normal reaction. Same antibody reacts with antigen B epitope and also antigen C epitope. In this way, same single antibody shared the antigens. This process are called as cross reactivity. The ability of an individual antibody combining site to react with more than one antigen determinant. Antigenic determinant means other is called as epitope. The ability of the population of antibody molecules to react with more than one antigen. These reactions are called as cross reactivity. Thank you, viewers. Today we are discussed the antigen, antigenic properties, and also cross reactivity. Thank you all. Thank you for your support.